In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can open snaps on Snapchat web. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to open snaps on Snapchat web, all you have to do is simply first of all open up your browser, then just go to websnapchat.com and log in into your account. Now, just in case you don't want to use the web version, whenever you're there, you can see it says click to install the desktop app. You can also just choose to click to install desktop application. Click on the install button here, and then your Snapchat app will be successfully installed. After you've done this process, you can simply head over to any of the snaps that you might have received, and then you can just go ahead and open the snaps that you want to view, and then you'll be able to view them without any sort of hustle. If this doesn't work, then sometimes you can also use an Android version using a BlueStacks or Android emulator if this doesn't actually work for you. But in most of the cases, if you receive any sort of snaps, you can easily open on them in your web. This way we can open snaps on Snapchat web. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.